Part of the fun of cooking is using cool kitchen gadgets. In this video, we will show you 13 kitchen gadgets that will help you breeze through food prep. Let's get started. Introducing the Cabinet Caddy Pull and Rotate Organizer. This innovative design allows you to neatly store and access all your small items with ease. No more cluttered, disorganized cabinets. The Cabinet Caddy's modular racks sit compactly side by side, but can be individually pulled out and rotated when you need a specific item. Perfect for organizing spices, condiments, medicines, makeup, and more. With its double-decker shelves, you can store taller items on the bottom rack and shorter items up top, making the most of every inch. And the best part? You can expand your storage by simply adding more caddies alongside each other. Brew fresh, delicious coffee anytime, anywhere with the sleek and compact Keurig K-Mini single-serve coffee maker. Its stylish studio gray matte finish and ultra-slim design, measuring less than 5 inches wide, make it the perfect fit for any small space or occasion. Using the K-Mini couldn't be simpler. Just add fresh water to the single-cup reservoir, pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, press brew, and enjoy a rich, freshly brewed beverage in minutes. Choose from hundreds of delicious varieties, including coffee, tea, cocoa, and iced drinks in your perfect 6 to 12 ounce cup size. This clever little design brings a touch of whimsy to your table while keeping those pesky toothpicks neatly contained. Crafted from premium North American black walnut and German beechwood, this charming holder resembles an adorable bee perched atop your surface. The naturally formed wood grains create a beautifully textured pattern that's pleasing to the eye. But it's not just stylish, it's highly practical too. The Bee Toothpicks holder perfectly stores and dispenses your toothpicks with ease, while adding a unique decorative flair. You and your family are sure to love having this cute critter as part of your dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultra-convenient TILUCK measuring cups and spoons set. This brilliant design combines functionality and stylish flair to make prepping and baking a total breeze. With its innovative stackable and suspended storage solution, you can neatly organize all the pieces using the included chains for compact, clutter-free counters. Or simply hang the set anywhere within easy reach. Available in 6 vibrant color options, there's bound to be one that perfectly complements your kitchen decor. From classic neutrals to pops of bright hues, these measuring cups and spoons add a splash of personality. This slider system makes rearranging your kitchen counters and creating extra space a total breeze. Installation is super simple. Just firmly stick the sliders around the bottom of your appliance or attach them to a wooden board. Not only does this raise the machine off surfaces to prevent water damage, but it allows you to effortlessly push, pull, and even rotate bulky items with ease. Say goodbye to scratched countertops and damage from dragging heavy appliances. The Aieve sliders can bear substantial weight while protecting your surfaces. When you need to free up space for hot appliances like air fryers to properly vent, simply glide them out of the way. This ingenious kitchen tool is designed to make healthy cooking delightfully easy. At first glance, the Vebo looks like any ordinary strainer, perfect for draining pasta or straining stocks. But watch, as its unique squishy silicone construction allows it to transform into the ultimate multitasker. The flexible shape effortlessly fits inside Instant Pots, electric pressure cookers, and regular pots, instantly converting it into a raised steamer basket. Simply add your veggies, fish, eggs, or anything else you want to steam, and let the Vebo work its magic. For boiling foods like pasta or potatoes, the Vebo has you covered too. Just pop it in the pot, cook your ingredients, then easily lift out the entire basket, straining as you go with zero mess. Protect your hands from painful burns with the brilliant OXO Good Grips silicone pot holder. This heavy-duty kitchen essential provides maximum heat protection and a secure, comfortable grip. Made from high-quality silicone, the OXO pot holder excels at insulating against scorching temperatures. During rigorous testing, there was virtually no heat transfer detected. Your hands stay safe and blister-free, even when grabbing the hottest dishes fresh from the oven. But what really sets this pot holder apart is its innovative, diamond-textured pattern. The silicone surface offers superior traction, giving you a confident, non-slip grip on slick pots, pans, and bakeware. If you're looking to take your home cooking to professional levels, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a must-have. This revolutionary device allows you to achieve perfectly cooked, restaurant-quality results every single time. Sous vide is a precise cooking technique where food is sealed and submerged in a temperature-controlled water bath. This edge-to-edge even heating ensures your meals turn out impeccably cooked from edge to edge with no risk of overcooking. We've used it to make exceptional steak, chicken, burgers, eggs, and even yogurt. Tired of wrestling with tough cauliflower heads? Hacking away with a knife? Make quick work of this tricky veggie with the brilliant Chef'n Stalk chop. This specially designed tool takes all the frustration out of prepping cauliflower and broccoli. The curved stainless steel chopper hugs right around the core, allowing you to effortlessly pop off the florets in one smooth motion. No more applying excessive force or worrying about injuries from slips of the knife. But the Stalk chop isn't just safer, it's significantly faster too. The ergonomic handle is easy on the wrists, letting you power through even the largest cauliflower heads in no time, perfect for those with arthritis or hand issues. This smart stainless steel design offers double the drying and storage capacity of regular single-level racks. The extra-tall, two-tier construction makes the most of your vertical space by dedicating an entire level to plates and pans up top, while the lower tier handles everything from mugs and glasses to lunchboxes and pasta bowls. With enough room for up to 17 plates on the upper level alone, you'll free up tons of precious counter real estate. Crafted from top-quality 304 stainless steel, this dish rack ensures your precious dishware never comes into contact with corrosion or staining. Any spotted marks are simply limescale that wipes away effortlessly. This heavy-duty cast-iron tool is the secret to replicating that iconic diner-style smashed burger with the coveted crispy edges and juicy center. Weighing in at a hefty 6.5 inches, this press provides enough substantial heft to smash down your loosely packed burger ball into an evenly thin, diner-delicious patty shape. The key is placing a piece of parchment paper over the meat before pressing. This allows for an easy, clean release every time. But the Cuisinart press doesn't just flatten, it works its cast iron magic to create that signature crispy exterior while locking in all the flavorful juices. With even heat distribution and plenty of weight, you get perfect searing that transforms your basic burger into a crispy-edged delicacy. This complete set covers every vital measurement from 1/8 teaspoon all the way up to 1 tablespoon. But what really sets these spoons apart is their brilliant narrow shape, designed to easily fit inside even the smallest spice jars. No more futilely shaking out those last precious bits. You can get every fragrant sprinkle with ease. Crafted from ultra-durable stainless steel, this set is built to withstand years of daily use without rusting, bending, or wearing down. The premium metal construction looks sleek while providing steady, accurate portions every time. Each spoon features engraved US and metric measurement markings that will never fade or rub off like cheaper plastic sets. This clever kitchen gadget, shaped like a squeezable fish, is hands down the cutest way to neatly separate egg yolks from whites. Separating eggs has never been easier or more mess-free. Simply give the fishy body a gentle squeeze, bring the puckered lips to the yolk, and release your grip. Like magic, the yolk will get suctioned right up into the fish's belly. To dispense the golden yolk, just give another light squeeze and let it slide out into a separate bowl or dish. No more tirelessly transferring between broken shells or risking those drippy yolks breaking on you.